Guys, I'm about to get in soon, and I'm in. Stop loss below this level. Take profit up there. Got a nice push to the upside on price. And I really would have preferred a sweep, but since we didn't get it, that's fine. I don't know what YM is trying to do because ES and everyone else is behaving. Looks like we're heading straight for the stop. Bro, I hate Wednesdays for real, bro. Like, what is this? Like, bro, I've really been considering, like, just not trading on Wednesdays. Because what is this chop, bro? Yeah, it looks like I'm going to be stopped down here. About a $400 loss. It is what it is. Yeah, this will be my only trade. I get stopped out. It is what it is. I didn't risk too much today, so. Yeah, stopped out.
Filled.
Woo! Again, I would have liked to see the sweep, so this wasn't even a clean, it wasn't a perfect setup. I would have liked to see that sweep. But it was still a decent setup. It wasn't the best, but this is my only trade for today. That is that. Take a L. It is what it is, like, bro. I'm really going to stop because when I look at my journal, Wednesdays have the lowest win rate. So I don't know why I still trade it. Wednesdays have the lowest win rate because it always wants to chop, bro. But yeah, that's that for me. It's even 10:30, so I'm not even trading anymore. Just going to take my one loss, call it a day. We come back tomorrow. Hopefully we get something better tomorrow. So let me remove that right there. Or it triggers me into something. If you guys enjoyed this video, do well to subscribe to my channel so you can receive more videos like this. Give this video a like and share it to anybody who you think might value from this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.